Hello everyone. Myself, lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from KK Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic incompatibilities in prescription, that is a chemical incompatibility from pharmaceutics too. Incompatibilities in prescription, that is chemical incompatibility. The topics to be covered are as follows: chemical incompatibility and the types and methods used to overcome the chemical incompatibility, the definition of chemical incompatibility, reaction between two or more substances which leads to change in chemical properties of pharmaceutical dosage form. The chemical incompatibility, it may be as a result of chemical interactions between the ingredients of a prescription and a toxic or inactive product may be formed. Chemical incompatibilities often occur due to oxidation reduction, acid-base hydrolysis, or combination reaction. These reactions may be noticed by precipitation, effervescence, decomposition, color change, or by explosion. The chemical incompatibility is of two types, that is tolerated and adjusted. Tolerated. In tolerated incompatibilities, the chemical interaction can be minimized by changing the order of mixing or mixing the solutions in dilute forms, but no alteration is made in the formulation. Adjusted. In adjusted incompatibilities, the chemical interaction can be prevented by addition or substitution of one of the reacting ingredients of a prescription with another of equal therapeutic value. Example: caffeine citrate can be substituted with caffeine in sodium salicylate and caffeine citrate mixture. Chemical incompatibility may be intentional or unintentional. Intentional, when the prescriber knowingly prescribes the incompatibility drugs. Unintentional, when the prescriber prescribes the drugs without knowing that there is incompatibility between the prescribed drugs. Precipitate yielding interactions. The precipitate form through the chemical incompatibility may be diffusible or indiffusible. The method A and B is followed in dispensing the prescription, yielding diffusible and indiffusible precipitates respectively. Method A. The method is followed when diffusible precipitates are formed in very small quantity. Divide the vehicle into two equal portions. Dissolve one of the reacting substances in one of the portion and the other in the other portion. Mix the two portions by slowly adding one portion to the other by rapid stirring. Method B. The method is followed when indiffusible precipitates are formed in large quantity. Divide the vehicle into two portions. Dissolve one of the reacting substances in one portion. Weigh a suitable quantity of compound Tragakant powder, that is 2 gram per 100 ml of finished product, and transfer in a mortar and use part of second portion of vehicle to produce smooth mucilage. Then add other reacting substances. Mix the two portions by slowly adding one portion to the other with rapid stirring. A secondary label: shake the bottle before use, should be fixed on the container whenever method A or method B is followed in dispensing the prescription. Alkaloidal incompatibility, in that first, alkaloidal salts with alkaline substances. Alkaloids are weak bases. Alkaloids are almost insoluble in water, but alkaloidal salts are soluble in water. If these salts are dispensed with alkaline preparations such as strong solution of spirit, strong solution of ammonium acetate, aromatic spirit of ammonia, solution of ammonia, ammonium bicarbonate, the free alkaloid may be precipitated. Example, strychnine hydrochloride solution 6 ml, aromatic spirit of ammonia 4 ml, water make up to 1200 ml. Strychnine hydrochloride is an alkaloidal salt, whereas aromatic spirit of ammonia is an alkaline substance. When they react together, the strychnine get precipitated because the quantity of strychnine hydrochloride prescribed in the prescription is much more than its solubility in water, 1 in 7000. The aromatic spirit of ammonia contains the negligible amount of alcohol which cannot dissolve the strychnine, hence it gets precipitated as diffusible precipitates. Hence follow method A for precipitate yielding combination. Second, soluble salicylate incompatibilities, that is soluble salicylate with ferric salt. Ferric salt reacts with sodium salicylate to liberate indiffusible precipitates of ferric salicylate. Therefore, follow method B for precipitate yielding interactions. Example 1. Ferric chloride solution 2 ml, sodium salicylate 3 gram, water make up to 90 ml. Soluble iodides incompatibilities, oxidation of iodides with potassium chlorate. Iodides undergo oxidation forming iodine, which is an undesirable product. Hence following steps may be taken to avoid this chemical change. Example 1. Oxidation of iodides with potassium chlorate. When soluble iodides react with potassium chloride, free iodine is liberated. KClO3 plus 3FeI2 will give us 3FeOI plus 3I plus KCl. To prevent the incompatibility, the two reacting substances must be dispensed separately. Fourth one, chemical incompatibility causing evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Bismuth subnitrate, when combined with sodium bicarbonate in the presence of water, carbon dioxide gas is liberated due to the following reaction. 2BiONO3 plus twice NaHCO3 BiO. It will give us 2CO3 plus 2NaNO3 plus CO2 plus water. Miscellaneous chemical incompatibility. Incompatibility of emulsifying agents. Emulsion prepared with alkali metal, ammonia and triethanoamine soaps are incompatible with salts producing polyvalent cations. Due to the double decomposition, a polyvalent soap is formed which inverts the emulsion. Second, color stability of dyes. The color of the most of the dyes used in the pharmaceutical formulation is influenced by their ionization, which depends on pH of the solution. The phenolphthalein dye is colorless in acid solution but red in alkaline mixture. The incompatibilities in prescription. Chemical incompatibility. Learning outcomes from these topics are: what is chemical incompatibility? Types and methods used to overcome chemical incompatibility. Thank you.